let's go ahead. Let's go over to YouTube, youtube.com, and let's open up a playlist. How about a playlist of short videos? Here we go. Short videos. That was very short. Let's bring it to the beginning. Now let's go ahead and click on the little red thumbs up here in the top right corner, and it's going to pop up some settings. So here we can see which videos. Do you want to do all videos or only videos from subscribed channels? So for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to do only videos from subscribed channels, and I'm going to subscribe. I'm going to subscribe to this one, for example. Okay, and boom, it actually already liked the video. Let's see if we can watch it in real time here.
Reduce. Reuse.
Boom. There's the auto like right there because I subscribed. So it has a memory because I unliked it. It remembers that I had already liked the video. So I didn't do it first time. So here, how quickly, instantly, 2 minutes or at 50%. So I like to do 50% so that when you are, for example, if you're auto-liking your own videos, that way it's not showing, it's not letting YouTube know that you're using a plugin. By doing it at 50%, it kind of masks the fact that you're using this auto-liking because it's going to average out. 50% is kind of when, you know, most people decide to like. They might do it at the beginning when you ask for it, but most of the time people aren't just liking a video instantly, right? From the very beginning, right? They watch a little bit and they decide if they like it. So I like to set it at 50% so that it looks natural, and on the stats on the back end on Creator's Studio, it kind of shows a realistic looking type of engagement time when it shows when people are clicking like, and it's going to average out with the people that are naturally clicking like with the 50%. So it's going to average out in the middle. And that's the settings that I like to do it at. I don't like to do it instantly or at 2 minutes because sometimes the video is less than 2 minutes. So we're going to do it at 50%. So this video is 12 seconds. So at 6 seconds, it's going to auto-like the video as long as I am subscribed. So I have subscribed now.